Welcome back in our new session. Today in this session we will discuss about inheritance. What is inheritance and how inheritance works. Inheritance is a procedure by which one class object inherits all the properties of and behaviors of their parent class objects. Okay, so in this we have the combination of parent class and child class. If we talk about the inheritance, so inheritance basically a child class inheriting all the features, all the properties, all the methods of their parent class. In inheritance, we also use the concept of code reusability. So in this concept, in code reusability concept, we write a one set of code that is in our parent class, and that code will be recalled and used by their related subclasses, related child classes. So that is the concept of code reusability. Means we have to write the code, a set of code at once in a parent class, and that code will be called by their number of subclasses. Hence basically is a type of tightly coupled classes, means in which two classes, one is parent class, second is child class, both of the classes are tightly coupled with each other, means there may not be any kind of change in a separate class. If any kind of change will happen in a one class, that will be reflected in their related classes. So that is also a kind of ambiguity, and it is a disadvantage basically of inheritance. So let's take an example. So what is the inheritance? That is class A, and in which we have one method, that is void show A. In this we have some printing statement dot println, and in this we we mention here A. Now we write the second class. So we have class B that extends class A. So now in this we use the main method, that is public static void main string args. Now in this we create an object to call the class method of the class A and B. Now in previous example what we have seen that when we want to access a particular method of the class, then we will create, and we have to create the object of the same class. But in inheritance we are creating a object of class B, and we will access the method of class A. So this is the use of inheritance. So here we create an object of class B. So here we use B, ob1 equals to new B. Okay. Now what we will do, we will just call the method of class A, that is ob1 dot A dot show A. ob1 dot show A, and we will just close the method, close the body. So this is the simple example of inheritance, in which what we are doing, we mention one class, that is our class, and this is the method of that class, that is show A, and we are calling the method by using the object of the another class. Okay, that is not possible in general way. So inheritance, what we do, we use the extends keyword that is used in the inheritance. So that keyword basically used to extend or to inherit the properties of the class A. in class B. So here A is a parent class and B is a child class. Okay, so by using a simple object, we just call the another class methods. Okay, so this is the simple example of inheritance by which we know about the inheritance, then how the inheritance takes place in the general example. Okay, so I hope you got some valuable information about the inheritance in this session. So thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.